front of me is Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. First of all, you need to find an app called My Files that's already on your Samsung. Once you find it, click on it. And last but not least, select Downloads over here. Make sure all at the top left corner is blue to see all of your downloaded files from all of these sources. To open one, click on it. Select one of your apps to decide which one you want to use to open this file format. Just once or always, and wait. Now you can edit your file over here, or you can hold it on the list and manage it thanks to all of those options at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!